Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to turn in a Google Doc, and that would be a typed out paper. So you're going to come to Google again and then either sign in like you would for Gmail, or if you're already still signed in, then you will go to these dots. Google Drive will have all of your documents, sheets, and slides. But if you just go to Google Docs, it'll limit it to only the typed pages. So this is what my Google Docs looks like. And earlier I started an opinion writing. And so this is where I would type out my paper with the title. But in our title for the paper is where you're going to put your name. So following, and we're going to look at our website real fast. Week 1 writing says to please name your file your name opinion writing 1. So in that document, and we're going to say my name opinion writing 1. Okay, when you're ready to turn that in as a rough draft and you want me to look over it, you're going to share with me and notify me. And then if you have something you specifically want me to look at or a question, you can type that in there and send. And as long as it says notify people with the check mark, I will get an email and I will respond to you as soon as I see it. Okay? You may turn this in like this as many times as you want me to look over something specific. I will create a different video on how you will turn in Google Documents if they are for your final and you're ready for your grade. Okay? So if you have any questions on how to turn in those Google Docs, if something there or none of it made sense, feel free to go back to our class site. Might be quickest this way. Help. And fill out a help ticket for me. And once you submit that, I will see that and I will respond to you.